Nutrition researchers and dietitians use indirect measures to measure food intake, such as food recalls. With a meter we can measure actual food intake during the meal and also people's eating behavior. The main advantage of the meter is that we can measure more precise how much people eat with little effort from consumers or patients.
This technique can be used to get better insight in what an individual eats. This can be especially important for those who suffer from diabetes or those who are malnourished, such as the elderly.
The procedure will be demonstrated by Siebelink, who is head of the dietitian department and a trained research dietitian. Participants are Femke de Gooijer and Michele Tufano, both PhD students, and all work at the Human Nutrition and Health Department of Wageningen University.
Begin by preparing a juice, fruit yogurt, and fruit pieces. Recruit volunteers who agree to participate in the study. Exclude participants wearing glasses who cannot wear lenses, or those who have facial hair, to avoid measurement errors. Inform the participants about the study and data collection, and obtain their signature on the informed consent before collecting data. After ensuring that the light in the room is evenly distributed and that there is no background noise on the video recordings, seat the participant before the table with the tabletop located just below their chest. The entire torso should be visible, including the arms. Connect the wireless receiver of the tray and the webcam to a laptop. Switch on the tray and start the laptop.